Hello guys, today we want to talk about something little to do with page numbering in an Excel. So for most cases, page numbering give a lot of students headache. So today I want to tell you how to do page numbering. We will be doing page numbering and we are going to talk about something small to do with table of contents. So let me share my screen. You can share your screen from anywhere you want since this is a Zoom meeting. So you come share screen. Then this is where I want my document. Let me use this for illustration. I'm going to use this for illustration. Mm, the document is opening. So in a scenario where this is your document and you want to number this your document based that page number is not given any number. Like in this document, it is not yet numbered. It is blank. The page numbering is blank. So we want to name. We leave the cover page not numbered. Declaration numbered as Roman 1. Acknowledgement as Roman 2. Then we have something to do with forward as Roman 3. We have abbreviation and acronyms as Roman 4. Then we have executive, I think chapter 1. So how can we number this document? Leaving the page number unnumbered. And starting from chapter 1, we give it letters numbered. And from declaration, we give it Roman numbers. In that case, you can start with numbering all your documents, including the cover page given number. For you to do that, or for general numbering, if you have a document that don't have a cover page and you want to number it, you just come here to insert. If you click on insert, you will see several windows opened. So we are just interested with page number. Page number is here. You click the arrow downward. Then you will see how do you want to number your document. So that one also matters. Is it page top of page, bottom of page, page margin, current position, format page number, or you want to remove the page number? And for this document, we want to give our numbering at bottom of the page. So you just come, click the arrow, then you will see this. We have plain number 1, plain number 2, plain number 3, and sent bar 1 page numbering. So I'm interested in plain number 2 where you are going to number based on the center of your document. So you just click the center. As you can see, the document has been numbered from page 1, and that is not what we want. We want to make sure that cover page is not numbered. Page 2 become our Roman 1 here, and for you to do that, you are going to follow these steps. So you just come back, insert, just come here, design, then we close header and footer. The document has been numbered based on page 1, page 2, like that. For now, page 1, you can see we have page 1, in the declaration we have page 2, in acknowledgement we have page 3, in forward we have page 4, then acronym we have page 5, then chapter 1 is page 6. That is not our interest. Our interest is that chapter 1 to be from number 1, and like that as it continues. So to start with the first step, you will come to your document After giving the document page numbering from insert page number where you want to put your page numbering, then you continue. So how will we name or how will we not rename cover page? From that point, you are going to come to that part, the page you want to break. So this is the document cover page. So we have declaration. So this is the place we want to break it. In that cover page is not numbered, then declaration is numbered from page 1 or Roman 1, continuing to where we want it to. I think up to a letter of abbreviations. So you just put your cursor at the declaration. Then from that, after placing your cursor here at the declaration, you come to insert. Then we follow the same process. Insert page number. Are we together? You insert page number. But before doing that, you can also follow this process. You come first, after having this your document, you don't highlight any place, you just leave it the way it is. You can decide to make it using a toolbar. Just come at home, then from home bar there is this. You can see what it is. Add to quick access toolbar, then customize quick access toolbar, then show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. For this, we just want to add quick access toolbar. If you add it, it is here. If you don't add it, it will disappear. So you can come to start with this as the first step, and this is always the best procedure to follow. After giving your document page numbers from page 1, no matter what, the cover page is given the number, don't worry. You just come, give your document page number, then you come to the access toolbar. Then you highlight your document. After that, you come and place your cursor at the declaration. You want to differentiate from cover page to Roman 1, which is supposed to begin from declaration. So you're supposed to come, put your cursor here, then come to page layout, which is here. Click page layout, then you come to breaks. So you want to break cover page and declaration so that we can come up with a new page numbering format. So you come, press next page. So you will see if there is page break, meaning numbering from the cover page and numbering from declaration will no longer be the same. Come, place your cursor here, then come to insert, or you go to insert. After going to insert, come to page number. From the page number, you are supposed to come to bottom page number. Then you are supposed to use plain number 2. As you can see, we have page 1 here, but in declaration we have page 2, but we are supposed to stop link, or you link to previous. You are supposed to stop it. After you stopping link to previous, you can repeat the same process. Come to insert page number, bottom of the page, plain number 2, then you click that. After clicking that, you want to give it Roman numbers. How will you give it Roman numbers? You just come back to insert page number, then format page number. You click that, then from here we have number format. You change, or you click the arrow downward to change. You can give numbers, you can give negative numbers, you can give A, B, C, evil in small letters. You can give A, B, C capital, you can give A Roman 1 to 3. So here we are interested in Roman numbers. So you click Roman, then you come start at, then you press OK. So you will see we have Roman 1. here. So the document will be named from Roman 1, from declaration to the last Roman, unless we are going to change it. So page number will remain with the letter 1. Page number will remain with the letter 1. For that case, you will just come to design and close header and footer. How will we remove the number in the cover page? You can double click at the footer, then you come insert page number, then remove page number after highlighting the number at the footer. So you just remove the page number. Come to design, then close header and footer. As for now, we don't have any page numbering at the page cover, but we have numbering from declaration as Roman 1. You can see here we have Roman 1. Then we have acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, we have Roman 2. And it will continue like that, including chapter 1, which is we are not supposed to give Roman numbers. So, first to continue with the letters number, the 1, 2, 3, 4, we want to give this page to start from page number 1. How will we do that? We want to stop from that place. So what we are going to do, we are going to come back. We are going to come back to chapter 1, which you want to break. So this is chapter 1. The first step, place the cursor at chapter 1. Then after placing a cursor there, come to page layout. Then you break. So you are going to say, I need a difference between chapter 1, executive summary, and the letter of abbreviation in a numbering system. So then you click on next page. After clicking on next page, you are going to see if there is a break. Section break, next page. So the section break from this place, meaning up to our letter of abbreviation or the abbreviation acronyms. Acronyms should stop at Roman 4. Then from chapter 1, we are supposed to be having page 1, which is number 1 at this place. So what will we do to make sure we remove this letter from this place, the Roman number from that place? This is what you are going to do. After you clicking break, which was our last step, you just come to put your cursor here, then you come back to insert, then we have page number, bottom center. You can put bottom center or bottom of the page, that is plain number 2. You double click, then we are going to have here as now number 1, but we don't want to do away with this, or we don't want to interfere with everything here. So for us to change this to letters, you come back to insert, come to page number, we have format of the page, then we want to change this now to numbers. You just click the first ones, which are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start from or start at page 1. So you just click OK. So for the document now, you will see the document. Oh my God, there's just a slight. So first to continue, there is just a, I'm sorry, there was just a light disappearance of the screen, so I had to bring it back. So as for now, you will see the document is arranged based on the pages we want. So you find that the top page is not, or the cover page is not numbered. Mm, from declaration we have page Roman number 1, and that is what we wanted, and that is where our interest was. So you will just come back to the sign, then close everything. After closing everything, you just come and disable the access toolbar or the quick access toolbar. So you just come and inactivate it. You will find the document is already numbered the way we wanted, and that one was our interest as numbering is concerned. If anything is not clear, you will get it as time goes. Mm, that is where the interest was. You will see that the chapter or the heading is not numbered. Then from declaration we have Roman numbers. That is Roman number 1. Mm, we have Roman number 2. Forward we have Roman number 3. In abbreviation and acronym we have Roman number 4. Then from chapter 1 you have to have number 1, which is here, as you can see, meaning there is good work that has been done. Chapter 2 should have number 2. Then the next page, that is number 2. The next page should have number 3. And there are 21 pages. So the document should start numbering from chapter 1 to the last chapter, which is chapter 5, meaning all the numbers are supposed to be 21, and you can see it here. Page 8 out of, meaning we are in page 8 out of 21. So the last thing I wanted to tackle was something to do with table of content. This document don't have table of content. So how can we create a table of content to this document so that it become a full document? You just go print it, you do the binding if it is required, or you do the file. You can do the filing if you want after printing. What is the next step will you do with the document without table of content? So this is the document, and we are supposed to create table of content. For you to create table of content, this is the first step you are supposed to follow. You are not supposed to touch anything to do with the cover page. So we are supposed to be giving this document titles like declaration. If you want to give a table of content, you come here to declaration, highlight declaration. Just highlight the declaration by the way it is. Then you come header or heading 1. You're supposed to continue with the same heading. Acknowledgement. If we highlight it and give it heading 1, you will see it will just automatically go to the next page. So if you give it heading 1, it has moved to the next page. So you're supposed to be giving it heading as required. Same to forward. If you just highlight forward, then you give it heading 1, it will go to the next page, and you will see it happening now. Heading next page. Then we are supposed to continue the same up to chapter 1. If you come to the abbreviations and acronym, highlight it, giving heading 1. If you come to the next page, which is chapter 1, if I'm not wrong, you're supposed to give here as heading 1. Heading 1. And it should continue the way it is. So in chapter 2, you can decide to give introduction, heading 2. For you to get all the headings here, there is an arrow here. Click on the arrow, then you will find heading 2. Heading 2 is here. So that is the first process as giving table of content is concerned. The next step after giving all your documents, you can stop there. You can stop there in giving the documents heading. It is not a must that all headings must be given and heading. You can just give the first headings and you start with the second heading, then you stop at that place. So for you to To go to the next step, you come here to referencing. You click on referencing. Click on reference. If you click on referencing, these are the windows which are there in the referencing. There are so many styles of giving reference, and the main style known is the APA style. There are other styles of referencing, and I think there is one called MLA. There is others called Harvard, Angalia, kuna ghost name short, kuna GB 7714, kuna Harvard hiyo ISO 690 first element of date, kuna MLA the 7th edition. The most used is either MLA and APA. With our interest for this is the known referencing for documents. So let us use APA. So under that, you come to table of content, which is here. Kuna add text, update table, kuna insert footnote, and others. You can just see them: index, insert index. So for here, we want the table of content. For us to give a table of content, select where do you want your table of content to be. So most table of contents can be after executive summary or acknowledgement. So you can decide to put your table of content here. Come, put your cursor there, finya, enter, then you come to this place. This is where we want our table of content to be. The next step, come to table of content. There is always automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table. Most people usually prefer this because by just clicking this, all this document will automatically be numbered in the table of content. Then you click the table 1. So if you go upward a bit, you are going to find your table of content there, neatly arranged. And this is the table of content, which is here. So you can see the table of content the way it is. You can make any change, just double click. Then there is always update table of content, which is always above here. You can see update page number only, or update entire table, which you don't want to do any, or you can just click OK to update the table of content. For us to make change size or font on the Romance numbers, you are supposed to come here, then you double click, then you write time name Roman, press enter. Then there is size, we want it to be in size 12, then you press enter. If it has refused, leave it at that place, don't stress yourself. So the final step is to make sure the document heading starting in new pages. That is the final thing you're supposed to be touching today. So for you to do that, you start from the head, the chapter, or the heading chapter. Here we don't have problem. It usually starts from where we insert the table of content. So you come to the after table of content, which is here. There is another page which is forwarded. Come to forwarded, then you press enter to move it to the next page. To move it to the next page, just press enter. Then forward is in the next page. So after that, you have to arrange your document in that manner until you meet the requirement. That is okay. Then you come to the next page. Chapter 1 is okay. Chapter 2 should start in the same next page. Just place cursor there, click enter. Mm, let's check on the next chapter. So there is organization structure here. This organization cannot fit the upper page. So you just simply put the cursor here, then you click enter until it moves to the next page. You will see the all of the structure, as you can see there, neatly arranged. Then we have chapter 3. It's good to go. Then we are waiting for chapter 4. Then we call it page numbering and table of content lesson for today. So we have chapter 4 should be in the next page. You just place the cursor here, just between the chapter and the last wordings. Then you just press enter. It will move to the next page. Then the last chapter 4 is okay. I'm waiting for chapter 5. Then we update our table of content because we have been moving some chapters to the next page. So like chapter 5, it should be starting from its own page. Come here, put cursor just here, then you press enter until it moves to the next page. Enter, enter, enter. Yes. So that is okay. So it is only the only thing remaining is to update our table of content because we have been moving like this. We have moved it from upward here to here. So we are just going to go to update table of content. Then we close the chapter of today. So you come to the table of content, which is here. Table of content is here. Just click on the table of content, double click, then above the table of content there is always this update table of content. So you come here, what is updating the table of contents? Select one of the following options. Update page numbers only, which is marked. If you want to update the entire document, you just mark here. But this you want to just use page numbers only. Just click here, then you press OK. Then your page number like this has been changed to Roman 5. And that is all for today. For you to change the font, you just right click at the mouse or you just click. Then there is always, you can change the color, you can change the numbering system, you can change, let's give it to new time Roman, or then you come press 12. That is the size, and that is all. So thank you for enjoying this class for today. May God bless you and give you a nice weekend ahead. That is all for today.